Portable air conditioner hacks you need to know. Fire stay cool this summer. Portable AC hacks focus on boosting efficiency by sealing rooms, improving airflow with fans, insulating the exhaust hose, and adding ice or DIY swamp cooler elements. You can also improve venting by using fireplace openings or drop ceilings and drain condensation easily by elevating the unit. The key is to prevent hot air recirculation and maximize cool air distribution for better comfort and less energy use. Efficiency and cooling hacks. Seal and insulate. Block gaps around windows, doors with weather stripping or foam, and use blackout curtains to keep heat out. Insulate exhaust hose. Wrap the hot exhaust duct in reflective insulation or bubble foil to reduce radiant heat. Use fans. Place a fan opposite the AC to push cool air across the room. Set ceiling fans to spin counterclockwise to circulate cool air down. Add ice, DIY cooler. Put ice or frozen water bottles in a bucket with PVC pipes for cool air, powered by a small fan on the lid, like a swamp cooler. Elevate for drainage. Put the unit on a small box or shelf to slide a tray underneath for easy condensation collection. Venting hacks. No window issues, fireplace, wood stove. Create a panel, wood, cardboard, to fit the opening with a hole for the exhaust hose, sealing it with foam. Drop ceiling. Vent through a ceiling tile for offices or rooms with drop ceilings. Wall vent. Create a hole in a wall, if feasible, for a more permanent vent. Usage and placement hacks. Pre-cool. Turn the unit on a few hours before you need it, ideally in early morning or late afternoon when it's cooler outside. Proper placement. Position the AC to allow clear airflow, avoiding furniture blockages. Close off unused rooms. Keep doors to empty rooms closed to focus cooling where needed. Advanced efficiency hack. Convert to dual hose. Add a second hose to pull outside air to cool the condenser instead of room air, which dramatically boosts efficiency, requires adding a second hose inlet.